Hi. Today we are going to see how to set up a development environment for Espressif's IoT development framework, that is IDF. Here I am going to show you a quick way to set up IDF environment in Visual Studio Code using Espressif's IDF extension for Visual Studio Code. Let's start by downloading Visual Studio Code. Open up the browser and visit code.visualstudio.com. Click on Download for Windows button and wait for it to download. After downloading, go to Downloads folder and execute the Visual Studio Code setup. Accept the terms and click on Next, Next, Next. Now check the boxes as shown and then click on Next and Install. Wait for it to install. Then click on Finish. Visual Studio Code will open. Now head to Extensions tab and search for Espressif in the search bar. Select Espressif-IDF extension and click on Install. After installing, close the Extensions tab and click on New icon added on the sidebar to activate Espressif-IDF extension. ESP-IDF setup will launch. Click on Express option and follow the steps as shown. At the time of this video, latest version of IDF is 5.1. Keep the default location for installation and click on Install. Now, wait for the installation to complete. All the required tools are being downloaded and installed on the system. I will speed up this process for the sake of video. After the process is complete, you will see this message. Installation is complete. Now you can close this window. To verify the installation, we will create a sample project and try to build it. To create a new IDF project, we will need to use the command palette of VS Code. To access the command palette, press Ctrl+Shift+P on the keyboard. Type ESP-IDF, new in the command palette and click on the New Project option. New Project tab will open. Configure the name of the project and browse the location where you want to save this new project. I will save it on desktop. Then choose the ESP-IDF board as ESP32 chip and click on Choose Template. Select ESP-IDF in the option as shown. It will load all the examples installed with ESP-IDF. Select the Hello World project from the list and click on Create Project. A small pop-up will appear in the bottom right corner asking to open the created project in New Window. Click on Yes and close this window. As you can see, the sample project is opened and now we can try to build it using the buttons at the bottom of the window. Click on the Build button as shown and wait for it to build. If the build is successful without any error, then we can say that the environment is set up properly. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and give a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe for more videos.